Welcome, dear friend. In this video you will learn what is going to happen with Ripple, why it rose up so much, where to open a trade, where to close, and we're starting right now. My friends, my name is Yuri. I'm top of trading you, and I'm happy to see you here. I hope many of you saw our previous video where I told you, by the way, it was 4th April, where I told you to open buy on Ripple because price very bullish. My friends, this video, how I built this video. First, I will show you my previous analysis. After that, I'll tell you what you should do the next, technical analysis, and also update about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And we're starting right now. At this moment, as you remember, I told about buy on Ripple for many days. Take a look. My first idea, 1st April, where I told you open buy on our TradingView. Also, take a look here, March 28th, where I also told to buy XRP preparing for trend line breakout pattern. As you can see, for many days. That's the reason, my friends, why you should follow me. And by the way, write in comment, did you trade this Ripple because you used my idea on you follow me? For me, it would be really, I would be really happy to see you. At this moment, as you can see, price rose up since I recorded previous update. Price rose up since this trend line, as you can see, this red trend line breakout. Take a look. Price rose up. How many? Yes, 77%, my friend. 77%. I think it's a lot. And at this moment, many of you ask me, what should I do the next? If you open a buy position because you used my idea on TradingView, I recommend you to close it, to close part position. As you can see inside in our VIP room, for our VIP room members, I told price rose, time to close 50-60% of original trade. Why I told that to our VIP room members? Because my friends, we don't know will price continue uprise or not, but when you book part of your profit, you make money, you are without any risk, and you can hold it for even for a year. It doesn't matter for you. That's why at this moment, my recommendation, if you used my idea and you open buy at 0.55, 0.60, I recommend you to close 60% of your original trade. Because take a look, some of our VIP room members, they made really huge profit, and take a look at this moment. Some of them bought at 65 and 1000 with 20x leverage. One man, as you can see, made more than 45k, and price was only at 71. At this moment, I think there are more than 100. By the way, that's a reason why you should be inside in our VIP room. And my friends, as you can see, here is our free Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe, because take a look about Ripple, especially about Ripple. I published so many ideas. I published so many updates. Take a look. First post about Ripple was on March 31, because for all of you, I told that Ripple, the huge possibility, will rise up. That's why I recommend you to subscribe. About future of Ripple, I can tell you that the huge possibility Ripple can do nearly the same as many other top coins did. Example, as you can see, Bitcoin, from its low to its high, Bitcoin rose up 1,300%. Cardano, from its low to its high, it rose up 5,000%. Ethereum, from its low of previous year to its high, Ethereum rose up 2,300%. Binance Coin, from its low to its high, it rose up, my friends, more than 10,000%. Dogecoin, the same. As you can see, all top coins, they rose up so much from its low, and Ripple, only one instrument that didn't rise so much. That's the reason why I think that the huge possibility Ripple have huge possibility to rise, as you can see, at least 1,000%. That means at least $1.50. If Ripple will do 1,000, for example, like 500%, it would be 2 USD. That's the reason if Ripple will do nearly the same as other coins, it can rise up a lot. That's the reason, my friends, why I recommend you to hold part of position. Some of you, I know that missed off a trade, and at this moment many of you would ask me, should I open a trade right now? My friends, I will not reply on that question, because such recommendations we do only for our VIP room members, and when there would be a beautiful idea, I would share it with you inside in our VIP room, and you can join. There would be a link below. Also, my friends, so soon we start our group coaching. On Friday we start our first lesson about group coaching, where you can learn how to trade, where you can learn a lot of useful stuff. There would be, as you can see, 10 group coaching lessons. I will teach you about key levels, risk, preconditions, two strategies, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, many different topics. I recommend you to ask about our group coaching. Okay, the next one about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB and Link. First about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, my friends, as you can see, price inside in this range. And what I can tell you, if that would be a beautiful squeeze into this key level, I would be happy to trade breakout. Why I think so? Example for you, Bitcoin, take a look. This idea, March 28, where I told you to trade this trend line breakout. Take a look. And as you can see, exactly that happened. Exactly. And take a look how price beautifully rose up. And at this moment, I would wait also for breakout pattern. And by the way, on our YouTube channel, you can find a whole playlist about breakout strategy. And if you're first time here, I recommend you minimum to watch all of this playlist, as you can see, breakout strategy. That's why wait for this key level breakout, squeezing and breakout. If that would happen, I think after such long accumulations, I could be rise even to 70 or even more. The next one about Ethereum. I think many of you remember when I told about to trade this trend line breakout. Take a look how this trend line were broken really beautifully. To be honest, that happened even better than I expected. Take a look here. Also March 28, where I told about Ethereum trend line breakout. And at this moment, my friends, price rose up really so fast. To be honest, I expected that there would be some pullback to this key level, but that didn't happen. And at this moment, I also expect that there would be some pullback. I would be really happy if there would be some pullback. That's why at this moment, what I can tell you, pullback to this area, it would be the best place to open a trade. That's all. The next one, BNB, Binance Coin. Take a look about Binance Coin. As you can see, I told to trade Binance Coin. It was March 30. Take a look here. Exactly as I told, trend line broken, retested key level. As you can see, even all of these key levels retested. Exactly. As you can see about BNB, we traded inside in our VIP room, and take a look on my trade on BNB. Take a look. My trade, first trade at 280, second trade here I added, and all my trades I closed at 355. All my position, as you can see, 90% of profit. I was really happy with such profit on BNB. But also, my friends, I expected that BNB would make beautiful entry point here at this range, at this level, previous all-time high. But it rose up too fast, and to be honest, here I missed my entry point. That's why at this moment, what I would recommend to you, if there would be a retest of previous all-time high key level, I would be happy to open buy here, because picture still bullish, and there's still a chance that it will hit 500 USD. And the last one, remember to push like, remember to subscribe, turn on the bell, and write your comment what you think about all these coins which I share with you. And the last one, it would be Link. Take a look. Link, my friend, as you can see, broke this trend line, and at this moment they take a look how they retested. And at this moment, my friend, if you used my idea which I published on TradingView, where is it, Link idea, I recommend you to subscribe on my TradingView, because you will find that Link idea. Where is Link? Okay, I think those of you who are looking for, you will find that idea. As you can see, price exactly retested trend line, exactly retested this local key level and bounced from it. I hope part of you open a position here, because remember what I think, that at this moment Link, the huge possibility, will continue uprise as many other coins do, because we are still inside in bull run. And first goal I would set at previous all-time high. What will be after that, my friends? That could be even rise to 50, double of the price. What I would do in your position, I would close half here and would hold without risk, and if price would hit this area, I would be happy to take that profit. My friend, thank you that you were with me. Push like, subscribe, and remember, when there's a lot of activity, it's give desire to record new updates. Thank you. Bye.